slip down. So when the swing door they swing down like this, he falling down, he start to panic, and the swing doors here also the things they make the effect on the top they changing. And now please detailing back down to the whole stack. Nowadays just a few bamboo we set up for the easiest way will be the 100% straight bamboo spike. But when you detailing on the wall, on the side, you will see a few holes flop in like this one. So in the past will be the spike they started there, so the spike they put out. So when the enemy drop straight out here, I try to pull him out from this way. Yeah, maybe the spike from here, they still got the angles out like this. So the body still got stick with the spike there. Need to be from 90 degrees from here straight up, so we bring him out for the spiking. Yeah, so they got around mostly 270 degrees, just 90 degrees left from here straight up, was not included because that is a swing door. And the vehicle we set the trap on the ground, so every single spaces will be a little deep, and the bamboo spike or something will be down there. So with the clipping armpit will be the surprise for their afraid. They're dropping down to the ground there. The deep holes, they worry that they will falling down to the viper, falling down to the spiky, so they will try their best to get the fast reaction. They hold their arm on the ground. When they let their arms out with the clipping armpit here, the spike from the outside in. If you luckily the spike hit straight from your armpit, they cut straight up to your shoulder. Yeah, to side to shoulder, and you got stuck from there. Your gravities pushed down to the ground will be the damage you earning from the clipping armpit with your shoulder and armpit side. Will be the clipping armpit one. 3 and 4. Rolling trap. Rolling. If you're falling in the middle, if you're falling in the middle, 2 rollings here will be from your legs up to your thigh. And when your partner bring you out will be the re-rolling. But if you're falling in the middle, will be the inside thigh and to the end. I think you understand me. Yeah. Number 4, the window trap. Stand by, hit. Look at the distance between the spike. The spike up and down, up and down, up and down, like an X letter. They point to you on 2 points on the body, but not only 2. Will be 6 to 8, 1. 1 in front and 1 on the back. And when the spike put to you immediately, when your partner bring you out, the windows they swing. As you can see, they swing. Yeah, so you bring the spike out and the windows they close. So you got stuck from there. How to solve? Need to put all the trap out with you. 1 in front and 1 to the back side. You pull the spike out. If still inside the window trap here, those doors still activate. Now, folding chair. Hit. Look at the dip that he put the spike, the stick down. Will be around the belly side. So folding chair, see the gravities of you hit to the foldings underneath. You activate the chairs they clipping to yours, and you got hurt because of yourself as well, because you're falling down. They hit to you. Maybe from the folding chairs here. This one similar to the beginning. Mostly the traps here put down the ground, of course, and will be usable for the parachute soldier. When they landing, they need very straight legs to landing down the slide. They hit to the spike underneath. With the panic from the underneath, they pull out, so the layers on the top will be the main weapon. Hit to the legs of them will be from the upper, not from the under. So this is just a surprise, and up will be the upper faces. They hit to your strap. Maybe from the fish trap here. So please, seesaw trap, similar with the bamboo spike, but now all the spike we put on the swing door. When you saw the hurt here, the swing door they swing to you, and when you're falling down, you not got any split. You are straight. You are 90 degrees with the door. So you feel the hurt from your step. You see the spike to your face. Will be the seesaw trap, similar with the bamboo spike, but a little different. Swing door with the spike. Not on the ground anymore. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your sir. Okay, now. Every single spike, we will make it as the fish hook spike. Can you see it? Fish hook spike. So, 2 turn. Hit and re-hit will be from the second fish hook inside here. With the light one, yeah, will be for the speed on the tree. Bamboos or something, which one can stretch out, we tie it on, stretch, pick the rope, is swipe, will be for the light one. And with the heavy one, will be for the drop or the swing down. Yeah, you came to Vietnam, have you ever tried durian? Durian?
Yes, disgusting.
Disgusting, yes, okay, I understand you. How many of you tried durians already?
Smelt it.
Yeah? Okay, can you describe to me what durian look like?
Delicious. Spiky. Like this.
Not
Yeah, the green, yeah, tropical spiky.
Heavy?
Of course. With the heavy ones, this one will hang up to the trees. Maybe for a drop or for the swing down. Yeah, disgusting, you was correctly. And Will?
Yeah.
Yes sir, please.
Have to do it, man. Have to do it.
All the spy system you saw there was making at the pink area and bring to the jungle to set up. So at the pink area, we got connecting with the green one, and that house they got the door trap. So sir, standing in front, can you catch it? But your body's at the farthest distance.
Okay.
You catch, but your body at the farthest distance. Do not catch it. Okay, now, okay, release, and stay there, stay. Door closed, we hang the trap up 90 degrees. Put the things in here. So when he knocked the doors will not open, he leans the bodies on, so he activates the swing door, they will swing down. So if he not catch it, the swing door, he will hit him from the thigh up to the shoulder, like full body, full front body will got hit. Yeah, now you catch it. He tried to catch it. Yeah, and this one swing. Hey, swing. So even stop or not stop it, he also got the hit by the second part from the trap doors here. Door trap. Yeah, the trap from the doors here. Will be the swing up when you try to stop the door trap. Okay, so will be all the metal spike system that we were making from an explosion or from many pieces as well. Okay, now reason why I say with all the prints today 5-second limit. Let's say the small spaces from the entrance door, wooden doors, rubber layers underneath, and disappear. With the whole spaces. Ready? Start.
That's a good effort. Ooh.
That was nice.
Happy?
That's super close, yeah. Okay. 4:57.
I'll put myself under 3 seconds for a second.
We got. So, this is all the movement of the people at the weapon factory. They're all working together. Number one, no energy, no electric. He has to using his power supply the air, the blow to keep the fires to melt in the metal. Two, second and the third person, they making the fish hook spike and he making the landmine down there. The ladies behind you, see chopping the bamboo spike. But the things I want to be telling is the knife she using it. And right here, the baby boys, they showing the bomb. Hell no, too risky. That's why they have to using a coconut. They drill the holes in the bottom to get the dripping water to fire marching between the soul and the metal pieces. We worry the powders inside still catching fire because the bombs here was bring back from the riverside. They fill in the watering, they not explode. So we bring the bombs back, we are in the metal pieces. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, weapon factory. Just a model remake to all of yours only. Okay,
That's the
now,
tunnel to get in here.
when they finish all the weapon stuff, they throw down to the tunnel.
Okay, yeah,
From
yeah.
the angles, they pick the weapon and they moving on. Okay. Mind your step, mind your head, with the rib over here. No.
How you doing?
Here we go.
Here we go.
It's electrics.
Lightning and thunder.
Yeah. Well, that's the experience.
Yeah.
I'm a small dude, so it's not that bad.
Oh, fuck.
You probably need to crawl a little bit. You might have to go on your knees if you're tall.
Jeez.
Not bad, actually. A lot more stable than I thought it would be. I mean, I'm pretty sure it got reinforced. This is not the actual tunnel. I feel like the actual tunnel will be much dirtier.
I'm gonna go up.
How are you doing?
I'm alright.
You're just so,
Yeah, well,
you're much taller.
yeah.
The nice air vents. Get the nice ones. Yeah, not the actual like, mountain air vents. It's actually like a fan, so it's very nice.
Well, it's
This is like the 5-star tunnel. This is super comfortable because this is not dirt. This is all.
Dude, it's not even reinforced.
it's been worn out,
But
isn't
this
it?
is rock though, so it's literally rock. It's not dirt. Woo. Oh, we're gonna get to another hole ball.
There's 2 steps. Oh, by the
There's
way.
2 steps, so okay, I'm not gonna use any of them.
See my foot?
Yeah.
Another step right here.
Okay. You getting cramp now?
Yeah, I'm gonna get out because my back's hurting me.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, I've done it now. Sweet man, sit a bit.
All right, see you in a bit.
Ow. Ah.
You're actually farting?
It's cool.
That's